Spring is finally here, so we will celebrate it with a delicious and fresh mango salad. The first ingredient that we will use is some fresh lettuce that we washed earlier. Next, we clean and thinly slice some carrots, red peppers, and green onions. We do the same with the red onion. By the way, you can add or substitute any of these ingredients with the vegetables you want. When done, we dice the mango. You can be generous with it because it gives an amazing sweet flavor to the salad. Now that everything is chopped up, we proceed to the salad dressing. This one is quite simple. We add a small amount of lime zest, a good quality extra virgin olive oil, we season with salt and ground pepper, and we squeeze some lemon juice. For added freshness, we chop some fresh parsley. We give it a good mix, and our salad dressing is done. We proceed by adding it on the salad, and we mix everything well together. For added crunch, we sprinkle some cashew nuts. It is a fresh and delicious salad that we really like. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you like our content or you got a good idea for a recipe, then hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. See you on the next one.